What's up, guys? My name is Henry from GI Technologies. Currently we are inside Hacho Ecomog and we did our system here in this beautiful apartment. It's a two-story building. We have the ground floor, the top floor, and then also the very last floor, or what we call the second floor. Now we did our video intercom system. The video intercom system has a beautiful outdoor unit and it comes with 3 monitors. The first monitor on the ground floor, the second on the first floor, and then the last monitor will be on the third floor. So what happens is that once you press on the doorbell, somebody can pick it whether on the first floor, ground floor, or the last floor, or the second floor. Now we also did our electric fence system. We took our time to add some beauty to our electric fence system that we did for our clients. So as you can see, very beautiful installation, and we helping the customer and protecting the customer from the bad guys. Now we also installed our CCTV system. The customer had his cameras from his previous home, so we added new cameras. He had some analog cameras, we added some IP cameras. We also did gate motor installation where we fix our gate motor. Now the customer is able to use his remote to operate the gates, and then also he can actually use the intercom system to also get the gate to open. Like we say, if you have any deal for us, whether you're in Accra, Kumasi, Tamale, Cape Coast, or Volta region, or any part of Ghana, make sure you give us a call. If you're also in the diaspora, make sure you WhatsApp me or you can give me a call. We'll give you a very good deal. Like we say, we have deal for every budget and every timeline. So when you're building like this one, you can put the cable inside, and then once you're done, we'll come and do the installation. See you.